Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Tongue. And my name is Sanjit. I hope you remember me by now. And in this channel, The Global Tongue, we talk about communication. So today I'm here again with my new video. And today the topic of my video is able to. So we'll learn how to use able to nicely. Alright? So guys, मैं फिर आज एक नई वीडियो लेके आया हूँ और इस वीडियो में आज हम कवर करेंगे able to का uses, right? And now able to means capable of doing something, right? So now I'll tell you how to use it nicely. So we have able to. So let's use I am. I am able to speak. Alright? I am able to understand you. So let's say if I ask you a question, are you able to understand me? So you have to reply, yes, I am able to understand you. And do not use I am understanding you. Because I hear it often. People use I am understanding. So instead of I am understanding, make sure that you use I am able to understand you. So guys, I am able to speak. इसका मतलब होता है कि मैं बोल सकता हूँ. और सेकंड स्टेटमेंट का मतलब है I am able to understand you. मैं आपको समझ सकता हूँ. तो अगर मैं आपको पूछूंगा क्या आप मुझे समझ सकते हैं? सो आपको बोलना है यस आई एम एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड यू. एंड लेट्स से इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, सो यू हैव टू से आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड यू. एंड डू नॉट यूज आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू. So if I ask you, are you able to understand me? Or somebody asks you, are you able to understand me? So you could say, if it's negative, say, I am not able to understand you. And do not use, I am not understanding you. Got it? अगर आपको कोई पूछता है कि आप मुझे समझ पा रहे हो, अगर आपका आंसर नो है तो आपको नहीं, मैं आपको समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. So I am not able to understand you. Alright. And the same statement. He is able to write. He is able to write. Now, if we want to ask questions, so we will be asking, is he able to write? Is he able to write? Let's say, is he able to write a poem? Yes, he is able to write a poem. Or if we simply ask, is he able to write? Yes, he is able to write. हम अगर किसी को पूछें क्या वो लिख सकता है, ये कौन सा पोएम लिख सकता है, हाँ वो पोएम लिख सकता है. So he is able to write a poem, or he is able to write. The same way. Now, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? So मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूं क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हो? So if it's positive, so you can say yes, we are able to hear you. हाँ हम आपको सुन पा रहे हैं. So guys, this is how we use able to. So you can use able to with any verb that you want to use. So I am able to hear, I am able to walk, I am able to talk, I am able to pick up calls, I am able to fight, I am able to write. he is able to do something, he is not able to do, he is not able to hear, he is able to hear, he is able to walk. So this is how we use able. Right. And guys, do not use, let's say, as I said, in the beginning. So if somebody asks you, are you able to understand me? So do not use I am understanding you. Simply say I am able to understand you. I am not able to understand you. Got it? So guys, I hope you may have liked my video. If you have liked my video, kindly share, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Alright? So thanks for watching. See you in another video, guys. Bye bye.